Hey, what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write killer bullet points for your courses that makes your visitors want to buy, right? So why we want to write a killer bullet point? Because curiosity is the #1 reason why people buy any kind of information. So no matter if you are selling ebooks or selling like courses or selling audiobook, it's all the same. You want to make them tick. You want to make them curious about your content. So by creating intriguing bullet points, we are making our prospects hungry for our information. So that's really important. So how do we do about that? So the very first step you want to do is you want to write down all the topic you are covering in your courses, right? So you can say that the scientific proof of keto diet. If you are selling a keto course, maybe this is one of the things you are going to cover in your course, right? Or how to lose weight with keto diet. Or 7 foods you should never eat during keto diet. Things like that. You want to write down all the topic which is covering in your course. Then we want to add "you will discover" at the beginning of each sentences, right? So you can say that you will discover the scientific proof of keto diet, or you will discover how to lose weight with the keto diet, or you will discover 7 foods you should never eat during keto diet. So right now we are making those sentences more like benefit driven. So it's like, okay, you will discover. It's not about the content, it's about you, right? And the next step is we want to write down the most important, the major benefit for each of the sentences we just came up with in the last step. So maybe the first one will be like, you won't follow any advice blindly, right? Or you will avoid the most common mistake, or you won't gain those weight back. So you want to write down the most important, the major benefit for each of the sentences we just came out with. Then we want to link the feature and the benefit together with "so that." So right now we are going to link the sentences we just came out with on step 2 and the benefit we just came out with on step 3 together with the words "so that." So it can become, you will discover the scientific proof of keto diet so that you won't follow any advice blindly. Or you will discover how to lose weight with keto diet so that you will avoid the most common mistakes. Or it can become, you will discover 7 foods you should never eat during the keto diet so that you won't gain those weight back again, right? So right now we are making the sentences more like intriguing, right? It's more interesting to watch. But you may think, well, okay, it's good, but it looks like there's too many words. Yeah. So the next step is we want to actually rewrite the sentence, and we want to add some more hooks to make it more intriguing and emotional appealing. So it can become, you will discover the untold truth behind the keto diet your doctors won't let you know, right? So because we know people want to know secrets, so we want to make those sentences like secret, even though it may not be true, right? So yeah, but we want to make our sentences like, okay, this is a breaking news, no one told that before, things like that. Another one can be like, you will discover how to avoid 7 common mistakes people are making when following keto diet. Or you will discover 7 trap foods you should never eat during keto diet. Or you may end up gaining more weight. So right now we are adding some hooks to the sentences and making them more intriguing. So you think, okay, but I don't know how to add those hooks. How can I find those hooks, right? So there's a great hack you can do. Is you can actually go to news sites. So there's many news sites like BuzzFeed, CNN, BBC, things like that. Because those journalists, they have learned how to write a title so appealing so that their reader will want to check their article. So that's the way you can find those hooks. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.